It can be very easy to underestimate a simple plank because most people only do it for like 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. That's not enough time to really get full muscle stimulation. But I dare you to join me on my 5-minute plank. So if you're outside early in the morning like me and it's cold, this is a good way to warm up your whole body. And it's low impact. So it's super gangster workout, super good. Don't underestimate it. All you need is a phone, you don't need a gym, and I promise you, every muscle in your body is gonna be like, ooh, ooh. Go. 5 minutes. Simple, just breathe. There's no need to go crazy at first. Just relax. Just focus on your form, close your eyes. It's a good time to clear your head. This is a good bang for your buck 5 minutes. I promise you it will be. 50 seconds. Around 1 minute is when I start feeling my body start to contract. It's like, whew, all right, this feels like we're about to do a hard plank now. So this is when I start to try to do muscle confusion. So you switch it up, use some different muscles. So then it doesn't feel like you're just doing the same thing the whole time. It feels like you're entering a different workout now. Like you just did 1 minute, now just do another minute in a different stance. If you want to, you can incorporate reps into it as well. So like just simply going down and entering a stretch while you're holding this. Say 5 seconds just to stretch it a little bit. Come back up. Keep the whole body moving because now you're stimulating more muscles. You're stretching while you're working out, further increasing your endurance, increasing your healing ability. Because incorporating a stretch during your workout, during hypertrophy, this stimulates the muscles more as well. So not only it's going to stimulate the muscles more, you're going to get more recovery by incorporating slight stretching during muscle activity, all right? Any way you can do it, in any workout, if you can incorporate some kind of stretch into the workout, it's gonna give you better results in the long term. So now we're at 218. I'm gonna switch it up again. I'm gonna go for a slightly harder plank. Go this way. You can go whatever plank you want to. If you want more of a challenge, put your hands out in front of you like that. See? Hold that. That's gonna focus even more in the core. So if you went to this position and then you started doing reps with this one, ooh, a lot less stretching, a lot more muscle contraction. And some people, this is like the part where they put their knees down. That's okay. If you had to put your knee down for a couple seconds, it's okay, especially if you're just beginning. Don't hold yourself to such a high standard like you have to do it perfectly at the beginning. That's not realistic. Because right now, 3 minutes, when I first started doing this, around 3 minutes, I was like, dang, like this is hard. It's harder than I thought. I definitely went to take breaks. I think I did take breaks, you know, put your knee down for like 20 seconds or so. Just enough to breathe and let the lactic acid out. Breathing is very important during this. I think I might do this one for 2 minutes. You can do whatever you want. You can switch it up. If you want to make it harder, I'm going to make it easier. I like to push myself though. So we're at 3 minutes, 39 seconds. It's like as it gets harder, time starts moving slower. For me, the best thing I could do is make a situation light. Make light of a situation, turn it into a joke. It's less painful that way. Easier to swallow when it's a joke. All right, got 1 minute left. I think I'm gonna go for a wider position. Yeah, a little bit wider. A little bit wider. I'm out here in the field with the cow poop. But I tell you what, this air here is fresh, filled with nutrients. I tell you what, filled with oxygen. because when the air is cool, it's more dense with oxygen. So I like to come out early in the morning while it's cool. Moisture in the air. 30 seconds left. If you want, incorporate a push-up into it. I'm gonna hold this push-up for the last 20 seconds. Woo, it burns too. See, I'm shaking a little bit. 10 seconds. Woo. Oh man. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I tell you what, there's all kinds of ways you can make simple workouts harder just by increasing time, you know, increasing the time that you put into it. Increasing the amount of time you put into a simple thing can make it into a complex thing. If you've been watching me or if this is your first time seeing me, I want you to check out my course. I got a 14-day trial. It's a full body reset course. It's gonna help you get the fundamental knowledge to be able to elevate your mind in order to elevate your body to its fullest potential. You're gonna be elevating your mind, your diet, your body, your strength for practical strength, not for that impractical gym strength. We want real strength, right? Also, my 14-day challenge is half off. You get workouts. You also get educational videos to explain things like alkaline and acidic foods. You get custom diet and meal planning, and it's all in a simple app too. Link is down below in the description. Remember, fresh is best. Practical strength.